Hello everyone. Everyone is panicking. AI आ गया. मेरी तो job गई. Let me tell you a blunt truth. AI is not your enemy. Complacency is. Now, if you believe the only threat to your career is technology, you are already more replaceable than you think, my friend. This is Manager Unfiltered, where we look facts in the eye and kill career illusions ruthlessly. AI उन लोगों के लिए खतरा है जो अडेप्ट नहीं कर रहे. It's not the tool, honestly. It's what you do with your habits. You need a proof? In every office, Western or Indian, AI is quietly automating reporting, documentation, reminders, and even low-level management. Yet, the people who lose relevance first are not unskilled. They are those who stopped pushing to learn, ask, and reinvent. So ask yourself, when was the last time you picked up a new tool because you wanted to, not because your boss forced you? And how often do you question your own workflow versus just copying what you did last year and just hoping for a better rating? लास्ट कुछ वीडियोस में मैंने डिस्कस किया कि मैं भी कभी सर्वाइवल मोड में था, थिंकिंग दैट आई कुड जस्ट स्टे बिजी इनफ एंड आई वुड स्टे सेफ. एंड लाइक आई शेयर्ड, busy is not value. And I realized the moment when I stopped growing, it was when I stopped risking new things, started fearing being wrong. That was the moment I made myself replaceable. And I'll also tell you the thing that changed everything for me. Admitting that my job wasn't being taken by technology, it was being taken by my own comfort. Discomfort is growth, and comfort is silent death. So this week, I want you to do something dangerous for your ego. Okay, so pick one task, anything, which you repeat every week. It could be a status update, it could be an email change, it could be a report, it could be a customer follow-up. Now go relentless and find ways to automate or upgrade it using any new technology. It could be an AI, it could be an app, it could be a workflow tool, whatever you have not tried yet. And don't do this because your boss has asked you. Do it because your future demands it. Scared? That's your survival alarm. And remember, AI will not fire you. Your refusal to pivot will. The day you stop learning is the actual day you become obsolete. In the end, I want you to do a few things and share below. Starting with 1, share one thing you tried to automate or one comfort rut you finally broke. Tell me in the comments, what did you risk learning this week, even if you failed the first time? And tag a friend or colleague who's still blaming AI but hasn't learned anything new since 2020. And if you ignore this message, nothing will change. And if you act, you might actually become irreplaceable, not by fighting AI, but by letting it push you into new greatness. Manager Unfiltered is here for those who want to grow, not just survive layoffs and technological changes. Sounds a little uncomfortable, right? Good. That means you're finally alive. See you next week with another tough truth, because playing it safe is not just boring now, it's fatal. Manager Unfiltered.